வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ஜாவிஸ் இன் 2016. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, யூரோ கப்பில் நடக்கிற ஸ்வீடன் வர்சஸ் ஸ்லோவாக்கியாவுக்கு ஒரு டீட்டெயில்டு ப்ரிவ்யூ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். நேற்று நிறைய ஒர்க் இருந்தனால என்னால் வீடியோ டீட்டெயிலாக அப்லோட் பண்ண முடியல. ஸோ மேட்ச்சுக்கு முன்னாடி லைன் அப் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம ஃபுல் வீடியோவுமே நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோடய சேனல் டெலகிராம் சேனல் நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணாமல் மறக்காமல் போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ இதுதான் என்னோடய டெலிகிராம் சேனல் ஜாவிஸ் அஃபிஷியல். நீங்கள் சர்ச் பண்ணாலே உங்களுக்கு வரும். ஸோ ஹே guys, வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் மை டெலிகிராம் சேனல். யூ கேன் சர்ச் at Javis official, so you can join my telegram channel. So in this channel I will post all my final teams and also my GL teams. So and one more thing, I found a good application similar to Dream11. It's called Sportazy. Guys, தமிழ்நாட்டில் Dream11 பேன் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ guys, those are banned Dream11 in their states. You can alternative app Sportazy. There is no need for like what to say, no need of bank verification, bank document record. You can directly withdraw your money from Paytm, and cash bonus they are giving 500 rupees. Hardly they are giving nearly 500 rupees. They are giving cash bonus. You can utilize them, and they have a full 100% cash bonus contest also. So you can spend that 500 rupees in cash bonus contest also, and also very less commission compared to Dream11. If Dream11 taking 299 contest, in Sportazy 275 only. So you will get entry fees very less, and also less commission. You will get full total amount also. So don't miss to download this beautiful application. Let's go to video. So today's video, Sweden versus Slovakia. And guys, one more thing, I hope you all subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon. ஸோ எல்லோரும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். எனக்கு ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோக்கும் லைக் நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ கொடுக்குறீங்களோ அதை பொறுத்து தான் எனக்கு வீடியோ போடுறது இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வரும். ஸோ லைக்ஸ் நிறைய கிடைக்க எனக்கு வீடியோஸ் நிறைய பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் மாதிரி கிடைக்கும். ஸோ கைஸ், ஹவு மச் லைக் யூ கிவ் மீ a வீடியோ, I will get more motivation, and I will get motivated to put more videos detailedly and full stats preview. I will post upcoming videos. So let's start the video. So today's match, Sweden versus Slovakia. So match between Slovakia and Sweden in Europa Cup, and date 18 June. So time 6:30 in Indian Standard Time, and venue St. Petersburg Stadium, and it's live in Sony 10.2 or Sony 10.3. You can watch in TV, and these are current form of last 5 matches: win, draw, and see the Slovakia's form also. And let's see last 5 matches goal also: Sweden 3-1, 1-0, 2-0, 3-1. So quite reasonable. And also see Slovakia and Sweden versus Slovakia head to head. So against these two game competed last 5 games to score results. And also see the leaderboard standings in Group E, that is Slovakia and Sweden in the groups. So now Slovakia is in top and Sweden little behind the points. Let's see who will win the game. But in this game my favorites will be Sweden only, because Sweden is very good team, and see the rank 18 and rank 36 Slovakia. So in this you know which team is better. So let's see probable lineup. In probable lineup, Kloveski, Alexander Isak. So these players are important, and an opponent Andre Duda, Hamsik is very good, and Peter Pekarik defender. Milan Skriniar, he scored last match goal. And let's see formation of both the team. So Sweden, they are playing with 4-4-2 combination, and Slovakia 4-1-4-1 combination they are playing. It's a quite difficult and better combination for Slovakia. So let's see, Slovakia will win this game. And key stats of this match: this will be the 6th meeting. So this will be the 6th head-to-head header for Slovakia versus Sweden. And also Sweden has never lost in their 5 previous encounters, and winning 3 of those. After just 2 wins in the 8 games in 2006-20, Sweden have won 5 of the 6 matches in 2021 with only 1 failure. So they have lost only 1 game in last 6 games, and Slovakia have lost just one of their last 9 fixtures. So in 9 they have lost only 1, and winning and drawing 4-4 each. So 4 match they won, 4 match they have drawn. And players to watch in both the team: Alexander Isak and Milan Skriniar, defender. Both players are best one. And in Sweden, team news: Sweden welcome Dejan Kulusevski, the Juventus player, and Matthias Sevenberg. So both they missed in first game against Spain because of the COVID issues. And guys, one more thing: be safe, wear your mask, maintain social distancing. So it may come too soon for to either to start, but the former is certainly more like to of the two. So these two will be starting today. And Alexander Isak, so he will be the anchor of the team today. Young and good striker. And see for Slovakia team news. So Hamsik is fit, so he will start. And Denis Vavro has been tested COVID, so he will miss out the game. Let's see in match facts of the both the team. Sweden have kept 5 clean sheet in last 7 European Championships. So we'll see. Sweden have never let the opponent to score. So clean sheet means if like a team A and team B, team A scoring goal and team B not scoring goal, then team A will get clean sheet. ஸோ க்ளீன் ஷீட்னா என்னென்னா எந்த டீம் கோல் அடிக்காமல் அவங்க மட்டும் கோல் அடித்து வின் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அதுதான் க்ளீன் ஷீட். இப்போ வந்து செல்சிக்கும் லிவர்பூலுக்கும் இருக்குன்னா செல்சி வந்து 2 கோல் அடிச்சு லிவர்பூல் கோல் அடிக்கலை. ஸோ செல்சிக்கு வந்து க்ளீன் ஷீட் கிடைக்கும். அதே மாதிரி 2 டீமும் கோல் அடிக்கலாம், 2 டீமுக்கும் க்ளீன் ஷீட் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்வீடன் have seen under 2.5 goals in 5 of the last 6 matches against Slovakia. ஸோ ஸ்லோவாக்கியா கூட லாஸ்ட் 5 மேட்சஸில் 2 கோல் மேக்ஸிமம் போட்டிருக்கிறாங்க. And Sweden are undefeated in last 7 matches. So guys, Sweden they did lose in last 7 games. So Sweden are very good and strong team. And important and key facts to be noted in fantasy point system. And big chance created. So Alexander Isak, Marcus Berg and Alexander Isak. So missed means the chance created but he didn't complete it. Big chances created means he created a chance and successfully finished the chances. And goalkeeper saves it. It's called big chance created. And these are the important players for big chance created. And interception: Larsson, Danielson, Christopher Olsen. So guys, in the point system படி நீங்கள் டீம் எடுத்திங்கன்னா ஜிஎல் அழகாக அடிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஜிஎல் அடிக்கிறதுலாம் ஒரு மேட்ரே இல்லை கைஸ். நீங்கள் ஒரு மினிமம் ஒரு 10 மேட்ச் நீங்கள் தொடர்ந்து ஜிஎல் போடுங்களேன். அட்லீஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு ஜிஎல் போட காசு இல்லை, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் பயமாக இருக்குன்னா நீங்கள் இந்த 10-11 டீமுமே ப்ராக்டிஸ் கண்டஸ்ட்டில் போட்டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். So guys, what I'm saying, if you have don't money for playing GL and you want to play GL but don't no money means you just play 11 teams and put the 11 team in practice and daily do practice, you will surely win GL one day. Interceptions average per game: Larsson, Danielson, Olsen. And average tackle per game: Larsson, Olsen, Albin Ekdal. So 2-1-1 respectively. And see the short on target guys. So Isaac, Emil Forsberg, Albin Ekdal, these 3 players are important one. And Forsberg in today's match he will score goal, I think so. Let's see who will score. And for Slovakia fantasy point system, so last match Juraj Kuka he played very well and Lubomir Satka 4 and Milan Skriniar he scored a goal. Very good defender, Napoli legend. So let's see who will score goal today. So in interception these 3 players are important must picks. And tackle per game: Thomas Ubakan defender, Milan Skriniar defender, Juraj Kuka midfielder. So you will see easily which player will get more tackles and more interception. According to that make your team, then it will be easy for you to win GL and also SL. In SL these tackles, interception, chance created, shot on target, these are important key role, vital role playing in your SL winning. And key passes: Ubakan, Hamsik, Pekarik. And total shots on target: Hamsik, Huka, Haslin. And shots on per game target: Skriniar, Kuka. So this is my prediction. Sweden barely touched the ball against Spain on Monday but still came away with a point thanks to solid defensive play. So Sweden's defense is very strong, so they won't let opponent to score goal. And Slovakia caused a surprise as they defeated Robert Lewandowski Poland 2-1. They have defeated Poland team guys, very strong team Poland. They have defeated it Slovakia, so they are not also bad team. Don't underestimate Slovakia. And Sweden are unbeaten in the last 5 meeting between 2 teams. So just do a proper research for every game, you will win easily. And my goal prediction for this game: Sweden 2 and Slovakia 0. Maybe Slovakia can score one goal at least, but let's see who will win. But my favorites are Sweden for this game. And do proper research and minimum invest 500 per game so that you will get more winnings, and split and invest, don't invest blindly. Let's see my dream 11 team. This will be my dream 11 team, and let's see who are important and players. Burke, Alexander Isak, Larsson, Ekdal, Forsberg. So these players are important. In defender, Marcus Lindelof, Ludwig. So these players are important. In away, important players are Duda, Hamsik, Milan Skriniar, Kuka, Robert Mack, Hubbakan, Pekarik. These 4 defenders are important, guys. And captain vice captain options are Alexander Isak, Hamsik captain, Alexander Isak, Sebastian Larsson, Isak, Forsberg, Isak, Hamsik, Milan Skriniar, Isak, Andre Duda captain, vice captain Isak, Kuka captain, Hamsik vice captain. So these are my captain vice captain option, guys. And so download Sportlazy app, don't forget it. It will be useful for you. And join my Telegram channel. I have already shown my Telegram channel link also, and I will put description box my link. So guys, subscribe and like my YouTube channel, so I will get more motivation and put more teams. So this is Javis, guys. I will wind it up.